In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop alerts or pop-up notifications from Blinkist app. So if you no longer need those pop-up notifications and you want to stop them permanently, then just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and look for this app info page. To do this, just go to your settings and then from settings, scroll down until you see this option called apps. Now under apps, go ahead and click on manage apps on your Android smartphone or all apps, and this will go ahead and list all your apps on your smartphone. Now for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From the list now, scroll down until you find your app. And as you can see, my app is here. If you can't find it, you can also just search using this search function. So if you click on it, now you can see we are on the app info page, and this is where we shall apply our settings. However, if you can't access this page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, go back to your apps and then locate your app and then long press on it. Then head over to this option called app info. If you tap on it, it will take you to the app info page. At this point, scroll down and look for this section called permissions, and under permissions, go for notifications. Currently, you can see all these notifications are turned on, and that's why you are receiving those pop-up notifications. Now, instead of turning one by one off here, just go ahead and toggle off this option called show notifications. And you can simply do this by toggling it off. From now henceforth, you'll never again receive any pop-up notifications from this app unless you go ahead and turn this on again. So that's how you can stop permanently these pop-up notifications from Blinkist app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.